What's up, YouTube? I'm not gonna hold you guys long, only a couple minutes here. I know everybody pressing for time. I'm pressed for time my damn self. Let's get to the money. So today we're gonna talk about subject twos. There's a lot of benefit to subject twos, especially for you as a buyer, and also as for the seller because if they're behind on payments, you're able to help them catch up their mortgage payments or do a loan modification, get the payments back in good standing, and then you go to paying on it so you can pay down that debt, create a lot of equity over the years, especially if they're halfway through their mortgage or only got 20 years left. Just think about it. You hold on to it for 10 years and it's a 20-year mortgage. I mean, a 30-year mortgage. They had it for 20. Now they only got 10 years left of debt. So, man, we have properties with a lot of equity, guys. We can't wait to cash out on them. We put all our people in there on lease purchases, so we won't have to deal with the tenants and toilets and all the headaches. But I'm telling you, man, Subject to is a great tool to put in your toolbox. So let's get to the money. Subject to investing. No bank qualification. You don't have to go to the bank and ask them for permission to take over this loan. It takes no credit. I never had a seller who sold me a property subject to the existing mortgage. I never had a seller say, let me check your credit score. Little money invested. I got a property now, it has about 60, 70,000 in equity. When I bought that property from the seller, I only gave him 3,500, guys. That's all he needed. He already moved out the house. Basically, he really didn't give a damn. He filed Chapter 7, so he wiped out everything. So all we had to do is come back in, modify the loan. He was behind about 20 grand. We modified that loan, got everything put on the back end, got a really good payment. Now we put somebody in there on the lease purchase so we won't have to deal with the tenant's toilet and all the headache. Because on our lease purchases, hey, after 30 days, it's all on you. Just like when you buy a house. We advise him to get a home warranty. Cash flow. When I say cash flow, some people will get in the deal. Like I have a mentor, he will get in the deal even if it's only cash flowing $50 per month. For the simple fact, you're gonna get the debt paid down. So, and you don't have tenants and toilets to worry about. It's on autopilot, so I can understand that. Me personally, though, I like to have at least $200 or $300 cash flow coming in from these properties. Now, they do have a due on sale clause. All mortgages have due on sale clause. But get this, if you put the property in a land trust, everybody can put their property in a land trust. It's not against the law. So you can put your property in a land trust. Land trust is used, to hide ownership, assets, all kind of things like that. That's another subject, another topic we can get on on a later date. They're behind a lot. I would advise doing a loan modification if you know how to do a loan modification or you know a good company that can do it. We're pretty good. When the market crashed, I had to go to loan modifications. Guys, wasn't no property selling, nothing. So I had to transition over to modification, which at the time was stressful, but it ended up being a blessing because most of the subjects too we come into, they're behind several $1,000s. And we just go in and get them modified. We had one just got modified. The guy was about 35,000 behind. Got it modified. Payment lower, went from 1,400 to 1,100. Of course, it extended the loan out a little more, but we still got cash flow. Now our cash flow went up to about 350 on that property. It was only like $100 or something like that. So, subject to, guys, please put that in your tool bag. If you have any questions, give me a call. You need any help, give me a call. Send me a message, send me a text, send me an email. Hey, let's make it happen, guys, to your success.